Welcome back to SK Auto Cars. The 2025 Toyota Century represents a significant evolution in Toyota's luxury vehicle lineup, transitioning from its traditional sedan form to an SUV. This move reflects Toyota's response to the growing global demand for luxury SUVs, aiming to blend the Century's renowned elegance with the versatility and presence of an SUV. In terms of design, the Century SUV maintains the classic understated elegance that has defined the brand for decades. It features a stately front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that exudes sophistication. Notably, the vehicle incorporates sliding doors, a distinctive feature that enhances passenger convenience and sets it apart in the luxury SUV market. Under the hood, the 2025 Century is equipped with a powerful yet efficient hybrid powertrain, aligning with Toyota's commitment to sustainability without compromising performance. This setup ensures a smooth and quiet ride, embodying the serene driving experience that Century owners have come to expect. Inside, the Century SUV offers a sanctuary of comfort and advanced technology. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including fine leather and wood accents, creating an atmosphere of opulence. Passengers can enjoy state-of-the-art infotainment systems, including seamless integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring connectivity and entertainment on the go. Safety remains a top priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Century SUV is no exception. It comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a comprehensive suite of airbags, providing peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. The introduction of the Century SUV has generated significant buzz in the automotive industry, with enthusiasts and critics alike praising Toyota's bold move. Some view it as a strategic response to the evolving market trends, while others appreciate the blend of traditional luxury with modern SUV practicality. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Century SUV marks a new chapter for Toyota's flagship luxury vehicle. By embracing the SUV format, Toyota is poised to meet the changing preferences of luxury car buyers, offering a